Good morning, Miss Shirley. Today we're going to be doing some laundry, just working on your balance and practicing with the grabber. Are you ready to do that today? Okay. All right. Well, we're going to stand up first. So I'm going to help you get up. Reach forward with your affected hand, and push up from the chair with your left. Now support yourself with the. Good. Okay. So we're gonna select the load size first. Since we got a small amount of clothes, it should turn into the small setting. Good. All right. You can select any water temperature you like. All right. So we're gonna turn this one to the quick wash setting. Let's try doing that with your right hand. So to start it, we're gonna have to pull it out. Can you try pulling it with your right hand too?
No, I can't pull it. I can't pull it.
Oh, I see you're leaning a little bit. Okay, let's just do it with your left hand then. Just pull it out. All right. Now open the lid. Can you open the soap for me?
No, I
Try
can't
it.
get it open.
Okay. I'll just open it for you. Alright. I'll make it easier for you to grab the soap out of here. Just put it on the end. Can you grab it with your right hand? Good. Alright, let's sit back down because you're starting to lean a little bit. Alright, reach back with your left hand. Alright. Lower yourself down slowly. Good. Alright. So I got your reacher here for you in the bag so we can load your laundry in. Make sure to lock it. Good. That's good. Can you do a few more? I see you're still leaning a bit.
No, I didn't even realize it.
You gotta be mindful when you're leaning sometimes. So remember next time.
I'm getting tired.
Okay, let's take a little break then. We'll take a little rest break. Miss Shirley, would you like to try a few more pieces? And then we'll be done for today? Do 2 more for me. One more. Alright. That's good. Let me close the washer up for you and then let this clothes do their thing.